Hey guys, I thought I'd do some homemade cheese fries tonight. So I've got me a few potatoes here, rinsed off. So how do I do this? I've made homemade French fries before, I think, if I can remember right. Let's just give them a good slicing up. I don't think I'm cutting that right. Well, let's give him a few slices here. Homemade cheese fries. Ammo head style. Well, anyway, I got two more here. I'm going to get these cut up. I'll get back with you. Okay guys, I got those potatoes cut up. I only used two of them. But over here in this pot right here, you guys see that? I've got some butter melted down. A little bit of butter. And I'm going to add just a little bit of flour to it. We'll see how this works. This is the first time I made homemade. Homemade cheese fries. Turn the heat up. Mix them around a little bit. Let that get incorporated. Okay. This oil right here is going to be for the potatoes. It's not come up to heat yet. So I'll get back with you. Hang on. Alright guys, the flour and the butter, if you can see that or not, I'm trying to work on my lighting here. It's come to a good, I don't know, hell mess. Now I'm going to add a little milk. Don't know how much, never done it before. That's probably enough or too much. And we'll let that come up to a boil. Trying to work on my lighting a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see or not. It looks alright. This oil here's coming up. Let's sprinkle a little water in it and see what it's acting like. Now don't take much, just put a little drop of water in there. Okay, he's not crackling yet, so he's not hot enough for the potatoes to go in. So I'll get back to you when it is. Okay guys, now the oil's come up to heat. I got the flour and the milk and the butter over here doing this thing for the cheese sauce. Let's put you right there. I'm gonna turn this heat down just a little bit now. I got some potatoes here cut up. You can see. I've left the skins on them. I don't see no sense peeling them. I like them that way. Drop some down in there. Well, they're gonna act a fool. They're gonna act a fool on you. You gotta keep watch on them. All it is two small potatoes. I gotta turn the heat back down some more. Alright, that's it. Two small potatoes. I might wish I cooked more later, but two's enough for now. Started off on high heat on the oil, and I've got it back down to about medium high right now. Let's check over here. Yeah, that's boiling up good. Turn this heat down some more. Alright, over here guys, over here. I don't have no fancy shredded cheese or anything. I'm just using what I got in the house, as always. processed American white or yellow cheese, whatever the hell it's called. I'm starting off with 3 pieces. I'm gonna turn this heat here down too. Starting off with 3 pieces and see what it turns out like. I bet it turns out pretty good. Mix that in with that milk, flour, butter. It's melting up pretty good. Might have to add a piece or 2 more cheese to it. Turn it down on low. Let's check our potatoes here. Where are the potatoes? There's the potatoes. Let's throw this plastic away. Get these good whisking around. They're brown, but I'm gonna let them cook for a little bit longer. I got them on medium heat right now. Now, I'm gonna turn my oven on up to broil. Turn your oven on broil. Check your cheese sauce. Let's add another piece of cheese to it. Voila, another piece of cheese. Him stir it in there, get him melted up real good. I haven't seasoned this at all so far, so here in a minute I'll add some salt and pepper to it. You guys didn't see it, did you? Well, there's the cheese sauce. Just add another piece of cheese to it. It's 4 pieces of cheese. Let's get back to the potatoes here. French fry potatoes. Yeah, they're looking good. For the amount of cheese sauce I'm making, I probably should have used that 3rd potato. But anyway, it'll be alright in the morning. Cheese sauce is looking good. I'd like to have some shredded, maybe sharp cheddar or something or another, but I didn't. Let's go ahead and add in some little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Give them a good mixing up. Let me get me a spoon. I want to give this cheese a little taste test. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Pretty good, guys, pretty good. I'm gonna turn the cheese off. I'm gonna turn the heat off for the potatoes. Let's get them out of there. Put them on a plate with a paper towel on it. Drain some of that grease or oil off of it. You guys see that? Alright, now what I'm going to do is put that on a platter. You can't see what I'm pointing at. I'm going to put those on a platter that's oven safe. Pour that cheese on top of it. And I'll get right back. Okay guys, here is the homemade French fries. They're still a little oily. They'll be alright. And before I forget it, I need to salt those right now. Okay, get your cheese sauce, which I made at least 1 more potato. Get your cheese sauce. Pour it all over those homemade French fries. Okay. Turn it a little thick. That's all right. Mash it around. Okay. Don't waste not one that. Now I wasn't going to cook no bacon for this, but I found some real bacon bits. Wish I had more. That's all I've got. Sprinkle them all over the top. Get all you can. I'm going to take this. See if I can bring you with me. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Alright. Come on, camcorder. What are you looking at? The floor? Do you see this? I'm trying to work on my lighting. Anyway, this is going in the oven on broil. That went in the oven on broil. And I'll give it 2 or 3 minutes and look at it. Takes longer. I'll get back with you. Cheese fries are out of the oven. Crispy brown on top. That's not black, it's brown. Looks good. What does it take? 10 minutes to make? I don't know. Hell. Got all that cheese, homemade. Let's take us a taste test. Oh, that's too much. It's too hot for that much. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, try some of that. Use better cheese. It's just some shredded cheddar. That'll make it a whole lot better, but still, with this American processed craft stuff. Also, more bacon bits would have been great. Those chips or those fries are crispy. I don't know if you hear that pop or not. It's good stuff, guys. Try it. Bet you like it.